And ayan siya. And as of now, meron na silang 1 million downloads and 4.1 stars yung ratings nila. So, pakita na natin kung paano kayo makakapag-register. So, dito guys, pagka-install nyo ng application, ito yung lalabas. You have to choose if you are a male or a female. And then, you have to enter your height and weight para makita nila kung ilang steps yung kailangan mong gawin every day para for us to stay healthy as well and para makapag-lose weight tayo, yung mga kailangan natin i-lose every day. And ayan, click mo lang nun yung continue button. And dito kayo mapupunta, allow lucky step to access your physical activity. So you need to click allow para detect nila yung mga steps na ginagawa mo every day. And then, ayan. So after that guys, may makukuha tayong 50,000 coins. As a new user, that's the coins bonus. Yung coins na to guys yung ginagamit natin para makapag-cash out tayo. Now, you have to watch an ad to get that coins. After nyo mag-watch, dito kayo mapupunta, successful reward, and then you can click the withdraw button or close button na lang. The withdraw button guys, kumaga kung gusto nyo na mag-withdraw. But as of now, since 2 million at least yung kailangan nating coins para makapag-cash out, click mo na muna yung X button. So now, punta na tayo sa mismong app. Today's goal is 6,000 steps. So nakadepende yan guys kung ano yung weight and yung height na ilalagay natin upon installing the application, after mag-install. And yung every step na ginagawa natin is equivalent to 4 coins. You can also exchange coins by watching an ad. Ayan, dito naman makikita niyo yung distance, yung calories na nabuburn natin, and gaano katagal. So dito guys, para makapag-earn tayo ng coins, pwede kayong mag-check-in na lang, mag-sign in. Ayan, daily login actually. Ayan, so pindutin nyo lang guys yan. So for today, since kaka-start ko lang today, which is Wednesday, i-click mo lang yung, or i-tap nyo lang kung anong date ngayon or anong day, and makakuha na tayo ng 4,000 coins. So yung 4,000 coins is equivalent to 4 pesos kasi 1,000 is equals to 1 peso. As of now, meron na tayong 70,000 coins and that's equivalent to 70 pesos daw. And this is the other ways to earn more coins. Ayan, Lucky Wheel, you can get as much as 50,000 coins. Ayan, and ayan, this is free to play daw, so you just have to tap free to play. And ayan, so yung may nakuha tayong 4,000 coins, that's 4 pesos. And to get that coins guys, you have to watch an ad. So you have to click this one. And ayan guys, so nanood na tayo ng ads, but you have to click go on again para ma-close ito. So another ads na naman yan. You have to wait and then closed. After that guys, papasok na yan dun sa ating, ayan, naging 74,000 coins na siya. So ganun lang guys, you can play this 8 times. Ayan. Close natin. So as you can see guys, every now and then, may mga ads na bigla-biglang lumilitaw. And ayan, dito naman tayo sa Scratch and Match 6. So kailangan lang natin mag-scratch. Ayan. So may nakuha tayong 8,000 coins. You have to watch an ad again to get that coins. So ika-cancel natin. Pero another ads na naman yung lalabas. So super dami guys ng ads na lalabas dito. So huwag lang natin. Hintayin natin matapos. So i-back lang natin. And ayan, so those are the things that we can do to earn coins here. Now naman, pakita natin kung paano tayo mag-withdraw. So you have to click this withdraw button. And ito yung mga pwede nating makuha. So as you can see before, based on the videos na napanood ko na rin, and sa mga nakita ko na rin mga vlogs regarding this application. Ano una guys, wala pa itong mga to. Itong yung Globe, Sun, PLDT Smart. As in nakalagay lang siya 2,000 coins or something. Ganun lang yung nakalagay. Ngayon, nilagyan na nila. So, in-update na nila. And pwede tayong makakuha dito ng 2,000. So, hindi ako sure kung 2,000 load ba to or what. Pero yun nga, at least 2,000 pesos daw yung pwede nating makuha dito. And right now, 76 pesos pa lang. So, malayo-layo pa yan. At least 2 million coins ang alam kong kailangan natin dito. So pag kinlik mo yan, walang lalabas. Click natin yung get. So watch more videos to earn coins daw. Survive by completing daily tasks to get more coins. So i-back natin yan. And this is our profile. Ito yung goals natin, etc.